everyone, it's Tammy, and I just got my package from Paper Phenomenon. This is a subscription package that I get. I'm not sure how frequently it comes. I think it's like once a quarter. That sounds about right. And I never know what I'm getting, and it's always fun. So let's see, what is this? This is a bone folder, but look at how big it is. Large grip with ergonomic design for better control and precision. Grand design. Oh, it's just in a different language. So there's that. And then I also got this, a heat tool. Oh, this is neat. So it's a USB heat tool, and it looks like it has two different, it has like a little closery thing that is like, I don't know, there's a tool that actually like you can make shaker cards and such, because this tool will close it if you roll it slowly around. And then it says use the wood burning tip to create customized wood embellishments. Use the fusing tip, that's what it is, to make seams in plastic and create custom page protector layouts. Well, how cool is that? So this is pretty cool. So this is the wood tip, and then this is the paper sealing tip. Now I do have a paper sealer, but it's kind of neat that it's all in one little kit. And then a mini glue gun, which I really don't need. I have a million glue guns, but I love glue guns, and I don't have one that's USB. So you know what? Maybe I do need it. And this one has different tips. This one looks really, really small, and this one's a little larger. And it has an on-off. And there's a separate power bank that you can get so you can craft on the go. That would work with either one of these, which is pretty neat. So that is what I got from my Paper Phenomenon box this time. And I just thought I'd show you some new products, and maybe you haven't seen them either. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.